So basically what COVID has largely done is like put a big emphasis on safety. It's changed the way that we deliver safety modules, but also in many ways, I think what we're talking about too, Christine, is increasing rules, regulation, and also trainings within a plant to adapt to this new world. Mm-hmm. And what we were talking about right before we hit record here was really when you do that, there also comes an increased cost. So I think to your point, you're saying you have to do more with less. How are you seeing the best companies right now adapt to this, like, let's call like increased cost in maintaining safety within a plant, given these new rules, regulations, and everything that's going on?
It's going to be potentially investing a little bit today to, reap the benefits later. Look at what technologies are available so that you can, without adding more people, adding more bodies, utilize technology so that your teams can focus on, the high value tasks. Your technician may be spending most of his time looking for problems, and you may need that many more technicians looking for all these problems across your plant and all the pieces of equipment. But with IoT and with technology, you can actually have sensors installed to monitor your equipment similar to a physiological monitor in the healthcare space. And so now you have data delivered to your, at your fingertips on your mobile device to your CMMS like Upkeep, which is mobile, and that platform travels with you. So at any given time what your equipment's doing, what the risk of failure is, so you can, assign a task to the right technician at the right time. And in the mobile workspace and the hybrid workspace, that's extremely crucial and critical for these folks to optimize and to be competitive, especially as they're running with these skeleton crews, post-COVID.